but I'm really trying to save because I want. What's up, you guys? Today is maintenance day. We are driving to Sephora right now. We're gonna go buy a body scrub, but I'm really trying to save because I'm really trying to budget right now because I'm really trying to save for bigger and better things. So we're just gonna buy a mini one for now because I don't really exfoliate every day. I exfoliate at least twice a week, twice a week. I do that. Yeah. Oh my god, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Oh my god, my bras are gonna go off. Okay, so I wanted the wow extra strength, but I'm gonna have to order it. I did get my body scrub because I'm out of all of them. I'm out of my Skin Fix, I'm out of my First Aid, I'm out of my Way. My favorite one, really, because of the scent and it smells so freaking good, is the Way scalp and body scrub. Oh my god, this shit smells like everything. I showed this in many videos ago. Smells so good. This is what it looks like. We are gonna go back home. I don't know if I want to get anything. I don't know if I want to get anything else, honestly. I think I'm gonna just go home. Why do they like to park where I'm about to get out every fucking time? All right, so I'll see you guys at home. Psych! Okay, so last minute I decided that I'm gonna go to Target because I think I may need a new loofah. So I'm gonna go to Target. I'm finally back home, so let's start this maintenance process. I like to use my K18 peptide shampoo. I love it so much because it's a detoxifying shampoo, but it also doesn't strip your hair. The reason why it's black is because there's charcoal in it, so it's really gonna exfoliate and clarify the scalp. And right here, I'm just going in with a second lather. Now I'm just applying a hair mask. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's the name of this one. My mom got it from a Dominican salon. I know the product itself is pink, but the container that she has it in, that's not the original container. It's just in a white disposable container. Finally, for our treat, we're going to be using our Way Scalp and Body Scrub. When I tell you this smells like heaven, I promise you, this is going to be your favorite step when it's time to exfoliate in the shower, because the way it feels, the way it lathers, and your skin feels so soft after. Make sure you scrub every part of your body, your arms, your back, your chest, your belly, your legs, your feet. If you haven't tried it already, please do. Please do. You won't regret it, I promise. Now for my second wash, I'm using the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and this is in the lavender scent. And for my private areas, I'm going to be using the unscented Dr. Bronner soap. I can't show that part, but yeah. If you guys want more details on feminine care, I have a video coming up, don't worry. Now let's lather and hydrate our body. I'm using the Sol de Janeiro Bum Cream and the Elasti-Cream, so it's the pink one. Love the smell, love the way it feels. It feels very luxurious and soft, but at an affordable price. So now we're in my makeup studio. We're gonna be doing our skincare. I decided to leave my hair in the mask. Lately I've been wearing my hair natural. I haven't really been putting any heat on it. I've just been leaving it in a hair mask, rinse it out, do the leave-in conditioner, put it in a low bun, and I just be wearing my wigs. I just let my hair rock. I got this face steamer from Amazon. So obviously I'm not in the bathroom, so I have a bowl of water here. And this is how I'm just gonna dab in my face. I'm gonna take my cotton pads and just wet my face. For cleanser, I'm gonna use this one from TULA. It's a purifying face cleanser. Oh my god, this is totally off topic, but has this ever happened to you where you get like a dry patch on your lip and it stays there for days? You don't see what it is, it just looks completely normal. You can't feel the roughness with your finger, but you only feel it with your tongue, and it's just that one patch. So I've been going through that for the past few days. I had a patch here and then it just spreaded all on the top of my lip, and it's slowly starting to go away with all the lip balms that I've been putting on. But right now, me being under the steam, it's like almost completely gone. That's crazy. I'm gonna see if I can extract anything. I did this not too long ago, so this isn't really doing. Yeah, my skin is pretty good. My skin is pretty good. This is the only little pimple that I had right here. Now, oh, I love this part. This is my favorite part of skincare. So we're gonna use a face mask. This is the Tatcha clarifying clay mask. I'm gonna make sure I really soften my skin and open up my pores so this shit could go in there.
I didn't know you was in here.
Yeah.
So,
Close the door.
okay.
I'm making a video.
I hope your Roblox upstairs. And I thought that was raining.
And the reason why you want to extract before you put on your face mask, because remember the pimple I extract right here, now the swelling went down, it's not as red anymore. Since I did the mask, I'm gonna lay off any active ingredients. I'm just gonna go in with this cleansing water from Sephora collection, just to get rid of any like residue that I may have from the mask. Or I'm just going with an eye cream. This is the Caudalie Premier eye cream, and I use this all over, like not all over my face, but I use this all over I have any fine lines. So my laugh lines here, my 11th, and I like to distribute it. That's when I take the cooling tip, because I feel like it takes too long when I try to distribute the entire thing with just the cooling tip. 11s. And then just taking this very simple moisturizer from Youth to the People. This is the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. And it's very lightweight and hydrating. Oh, and this is so soft. It smells just like the kale cleanser to lock everything in and to improve my moisture and the texture in my skin. I'm gonna use my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It's smoothing and it gives you a nice glowy complexion. Lip balm. Girl, I am so fucking tired. Like, doing all this shit on your own is a lot. I already did and painted my nails, but I'm not done yet. So I'm just gonna show that on camera. This is how they look right now. And I just want to add like some gold jewelry to really make it pop. These are all like crescent moons, stars, and then like to apply them, I don't know if I should go in with this one. This is rhinestone glue, or I don't know if I should go with a solid nail glue. I'm gonna try this one first. Have your LED light plugged in already. All right. This is how the nails came out. I just did them random, no particular order. I'm gonna use this Mia Secret Finish Gel Ultra Shine. Do my final coat. I'm putting my nails to dry now, and we're done. And I'm tired, and I'm hungry. But I'm feeling good, I'm looking good, and I'm out of here. Bye.